at 16, I did an apprenticeship under an artist in Florence in itself called
Wow.
Jason Arkles.
Yes, of
And
course.
he's a friend, he's a mentor, he's a teacher. He's like he's like
He's a
if I,
big name in the art industry for all the people who don't know. I mean,
yeah,
yeah, of course.
he works and lives in Florence, and he is the only American who has his works up in Europe publicly. So, including like the St. Mark's Church in Florence, he has his beautiful sculpture
Yeah, of course, of course.
on the facade of it. It's really nice. So I went and I was an apprentice to him for a while, and then that gave me the taste of what a sculptor is like, you know,
Yeah.
at that age. And I was like, oh, you know, I really like this. It was hard, but at that age, again, like, you're 16 years old.
You're making it sound so easy. I'm just visualizing, and you know, the whole process of me going to a whole new different country altogether.
Yeah.
And you're making it sound so easy. I mean, you didn't have any hurdles when you got in touch with you know, your mentor or someone, some backlash or something of that
I
sort.
mean, see, it was about finding the right people at the right time, and I think this is something that works at every phase of life. Like, there's no point reaching out to somebody when you're like at stage 5 of life and they're probably at stage 10. It doesn't make sense
Well
at all.
said. Yeah.
I think it's very important to have the people that, even as mentors, I'm making sure that, you know, they're on the same page as you. So that was Jason for me at that time. And even now today, like, if I do reach out to him for advice or like anything, I mean, he's around, like, I know he's around, and it's he's great.
He's
guy
great.
himself. So yeah, like, I worked as an apprentice for him in his studio, and that really opened up my world into the classical world of art.